Okay, another piece of polynomial vocabulary is the roots. The roots are also called solutions or zeros. So this word solution is the same thing as the word root. It's the same thing as the word zero, and it's the same thing as the word x-intercept. And that's how we are going to use find this information using the x-intercepts of these graphs. So if you notice, this one has an x-intercept pretty close right there at -5, at +2, and 8. So those are the values, -5, +2, and 8, that are solutions. So when I go to type in my answer, let's see if it'll let me scroll a little bit. I can type in my -5, type in a comma, and it'll give you a box for a second answer. And then the 2, type in a comma, the 8, and then that should submit. We'll try one more of these. So on this next problem, I'm looking for my x-intercepts again. So in this case, there's one at -5, also -4. Oh, sorry, that might not be reading that. That's a -6. So a -6, a -4, a -2, and then don't forget this one here that crosses at the origin. That's an x value of 0. So important to know how to do that. Okay, on this one you can see it just barely touches. So even though it just barely touches, it's still an x-intercept right there. So that's an x-intercept at -5. And then another x-intercept right there at the origin at 0. So once again, x-intercepts at -5 and 0. And that's how you do that.